We'll guide you through how to use Claude Haiku 4.5 to craft beautiful haikus effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Haiku 4.5 website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean and simple interface ready for you to start creating. Look for the New Haiku button prominently displayed on the screen and click on it. This will open up a new template for you to begin writing. You'll notice that the template is divided into 3 lines, reflecting the traditional haiku format of 5-7-5 syllables. Start typing your first line in the provided space, aiming for 5 syllables. The platform is designed to assist you by highlighting the syllable count in real time as you type, so you can ensure you're on track. After completing the first line, move on to the second line, where you'll need to write 7 syllables. Again, keep an eye on the syllable counter to make sure everything fits. Finally, complete your haiku with the third line, consisting of 5 syllables. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can go ahead and click the Save button to store your haiku in your account. If you want to share your work, Claude Haiku 4.5 offers easy sharing options. Click on the Share button, and you can choose to copy a link to your haiku, or share it directly on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. If you need inspiration, the platform also has a Discover section, where you can explore haikus created by other users. This can be a great way to get ideas and see how others are using the tool. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.